Hey loves, it's Chellbee. Welcome. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. My name is Chellbee. I am the blogger behind Chellbee.com, and I am also a Christian stationery shop owner. I have an Etsy shop, and I also have a shop on my website. Today I am sharing a pack with me video. If you are new here, what you can expect to see is me sharing my spiritual journey, which typically includes Bible study tips, different Bible study lessons that I'm learning, and I also like to share studio vlogs, just sharing a behind the scenes look into me basically working on my small business. So today I am sharing a pack with me video where I am packing orders. So November was my busiest month, which was super exciting. So I wanted to share a behind the scenes look into me packing orders for November, which this was probably video for maybe like 3 or 4 different days. It's a few different days. You'll notice I'm wearing different clothes in some of the videos, but nonetheless wanted to share a behind the scenes look of me packing orders. I haven't done a pack with me video in a while. I usually just post those on social media. But anywho, so you'll notice that I am packing orders. As you can see, I'm not like cutting or printing anything, like everything is already made. And if you've been watching my studio vlogs for a while, you know I do a lot of batch creating for my products. So I like to have everything as much as possible in stock, unless I have like, you know, a personalized order or something like that. I typically try to have most of the items in stock, and so that helped make the packing of the orders a little bit quicker. Not sure if you noticed, but my desk looks a little bit different. I bought some additional storage for the office in order to basically have more products. I needed to expand my storage situation, and I had to like really reorganize all of my products so that I could fit more and make more products and carry more stock. I am hoping to record a office tour, studio tour soon, but I keep pushing back recording it because I am still, like I said, working to just improve my organization and get everything really streamlined and easy to access. It's always a work in progress with organization for me, but I am super excited about some of the new organization stuff that I have set up, and it has really helped me to have a lot more stock than I did originally, especially since like everything was in that rolling cart at one point and I could not fit very much in there. But yeah, so I just wanted to mention that in case you noticed the new items that are on the desk, which is taking up a lot of space. But hey, I love it. It's great. So I was super excited when a customer asked me if it was possible to customize the bags. It was not something I had ever thought of before, but when they mentioned it, I was like, this is definitely a great idea and something that is really sweet and I think people would enjoy. So I did go ahead and figure out basically what I would need in order to do so, and I was able to really get like the items quickly from Amazon, which I can leave in the comment section. If you guys are interested, just let me know. But I wanted to show you guys what that bag looked like with the person's name stamped on it. So now when I get a personalized order for scripture cards, I'll now be able to stamp their name on their bag as well, which was super exciting and very cute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's studio vlog. I enjoyed talking to you. Until next time, you guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye!
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!